kayong nasanaya, pag may tanim pa dyan, lahat kayo alis. I do not care even if your chief of office or your CEO there knows or has nothing to do with it. Istasyon ganun rin. Kung ang chief of police, hindi niya kontrolado ang police niya at may police dyan naglalaro, out sila lahat. And I will accommodate you sa Mindanao. Doon sa Zamboanga. Magandang ano doon. Zamboanga, maraming beach. Sa harap ng Zamboanga is an island called, anong pangalan ng island dyan? Kasi maraming kinikidnap dyan. Dyan na kayo magligo-ligo muna.
White beach.
Do not do it to me. Because I said, I am awed and humbled by the vote given to me by the people. For after all, I did not also ask that I be president.